general cleaning and sanitizing procedures. This video will demonstrate the process of rinsing and sanitizing the LCA dispenser. This dispenser incorporates a user-selectable reminder feature which displays warning LED lights on the front panel when it is time to rinse. Select Rinse and Run on the function switches. Place a container underneath the dispense nozzle area. Activate the dispenser at the appropriate side or sides for approximately 20 seconds or until the hot water is clear or has no concentrate coloring in it. Set the function switch back to normal. To clear the rinse warning, you must hold the dispense switch until flow stops automatically at 20 seconds. The rinse LED will turn off when the rinse time has been satisfied. Remove and wash the drip tray and drip tray cover in a mild detergent solution. Rinse thoroughly and then let dry and replace under the dispenser. Whip splash panel area around the dispense nozzle, door and cabinet with a clean damp cloth. Select Prime and Run on the function switches. Remove the connector from the product box. Disassemble or prop open the internal valve to allow free flow of product through the connector. Cutting the metal fittings from an empty bag makes an excellent free-flowing connector for this purpose. Connect the metal fitting to the bib connector. Place the connector into a half gallon of warm, soapy tap water at 140 degrees. Place a container under the dispense tip and activate the dispense switch until clean soapy water is dispensed through the dispense tip. Repeat with warm tap water at 140 degrees to rinse the soapy water from the pump tubing. Continue activating the dispense switch until water is clear and no soapy water is being dispensed. Prepare 1 gallon of sanitizing solution by dissolving 0.4 ounces of K5 sanitizer into 1 gallon of 120-degree water to ensure 100 parts per million of available chlorine. Repeat with the sanitizing solution. Once the sanitizing solution is visible, continue to dispense for 1 minute. Allow the sanitizer solution to sit for 5 minutes in the tubing. After soaking for 5 minutes, activate the dispense switch a second time for 2 minutes. Repeat with warm tap water to flush the sanitizing solution out of the pump tubing. Locate the bib adapter fitting. Connect the bag connector to the product box. Place the bib upright and the machine rotating into position with the connector facing forward. Run the bib adapter to avoid sharp bends in the tubing. Select Normal and Run on the function switches. Press the dispense switch until concentrate water mixture appears. Continue to dispense at least 12 ounces of concentrate water mixture and then discard of it. The dispense is now ready for operation.